Actually sounds so nice, doesn't it?
I almost fell off the bike, you were so aggressive.
So what do you think about the current state of UK politics?
Oh, what number am I? 1. Okay.
Thank you, have a lovely day.
Not even look at the way we need to go. Steal some sweet, steal the chewing gum, run away, grab the money, have a gander. We are here.
Why are we a car?
Good question. We were a lorry 2 weeks ago. Takes us all the way up to the A3, I think. One junction on the A3. Pretty easy.
So right, left, right, something like that. We'll guess, Zach, while we're here, reset the car doors, because even now when we're talking it cut out.
Maybe it's my microphone sensitivity.
Is your mic fully plugged in?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because we had that issue last time, didn't we?
Yeah,
Your microphone didn't work at all.
Yeah, do you know why?
Why? What happened?
I was talking with Kevin about Taylor Swift and it broke.
Oh, that's why.
That's how it
karma.
That's how it broke. So the last ride we've done, she's talking to me and I'm doing like hand signals behind her.
I loved it.
She can. Oi, I'm not that annoying.
No, but I
So what do you think about the current state of UK politics?
Brother.
Uninterrupted.
Alright, cool.
Good to go?
Yeah. Let me bring up maps again.
I'm gonna move myself out of the way, don't worry.
Okay.
Because I think there was people waiting to fuel up, so...
No, no one behind. Oh.
Yeah, there is.
Should we keep the same line up? Yeah.
Yeah?
What, Alex in the middle?
Yeah. Oh my god, we've got a bridge coming up as well. Yay!
Are we turning right?
Straight ahead.
That was the most excited yay!
I follow you.
Fucking difference in music. I've got Slipknot playing. And you're singing, I follow.
And now I've got some random ass music. I really need to work on my playlist, because I've got the DJ playing, and this DJ, he says he knows me so well. He knows fuck all.
Last time I was going to Loomies with Jakob, we came this way. And we forgot to do this turn, we were trying to do it from memory. Well, he was. We went straight and 2 bikers followed us, and then we had to pull over to like a random road to figure out where we are, because we're like, we don't remember this. And they pulled in with us, because they were just following us all the way.
They were like, is this Loomis?
Is that a cyclist?
Yeah, must be electric bike.
Fucking hell. That's brave.
Sharp right down turn, and with pothole in the middle.
Ooh.
Oh, red light.
Ooh, that's a red light.
Yeah, and I don't know, we're here. Well, now I can do this properly.
Let me hear it.
Actually sounds so nice, doesn't it?
I almost fell off the bike, you were so aggressive. Fucking hell. The vibration is really vibrating.
The fucking bike almost came out from underneath me. This thing in first gear is fucking lethal.
22 minutes.
22? Nice.
Yeah.
Alright, stack links.
Careful, it's uneven on this road.
Sharp one as well.
Got a few twisties through here, if I remember correctly. I don't know if this goes into the forest, and there'd been a section for like a really nice forest somewhere.
Oh, we've got a biker behind us as well.
If you start to push against us, just let me know and we'll move out to the side for him.
He's keeping his distance for the time being. He looks like a Africa Twin or a GS maybe.
Yeah, big boy.
I've run out of gears.
I genuinely am not gonna need any fucking brake pads anytime soon. The downshifting on this, the quick shifter, when it just downshifts, brakes so hard with the engine.
Yeah?
These get tight. Oh, lorry, careful.
Hello, big boy. And back to 40 we go. Ooh, 10. How's your bike doing?
Getting there.
Yeah?
I'm still behind you.
Not falling apart?
I think it's not even the quick road. It gets really affected by the wind. I think that's what it is.
Right.
Oh, behind the bikers, there are more bikers.
Yeah, now we've got quite a convoy.
There's like 6 of us now. We're good.
We are in shit.
Oh shit! Holy!
Oh, this is average speed check, by the way.
Where
What is it?
This. It just
What
said
is it,
there was
30?
a sign saying, I think so.
40 on
40.
my...
But it's
we're
a 40.
good. No, we're good,
Yeah.
we're good. Is this part of the A3 then?
Good question. I don't know. I thought it was. I don't think it is.
But this is the road that you saw.
Yeah, this is what I thought is the... Yeah.
Yeah, okay, fine.
So on that roundabout, we're turning right.
Cool.
There we go. The A3 is about to come up soon.
I feel like this car is scared of driving a little bit.
Yes.
Jesus. I saw the downhill, I was like, oh no. Oh, I was target fixated for a second. We're good.
Yeah, I'm loving this. We have now become a massive group, and technically police could pull us over.
Oh, Zach! My man!
Oh yeah! That's cool.
STI, Zach. He's out spreading STIs.
My man, no!
Come on, man. Oh, I thought I was joining this one.
This person is definitely smaller than me.
Yeah. I like the noise it makes even with a stock exhaust.
Yeah.
Both the MTs, to be fair.
I'm not planning to change this.
With the one and only time all three of us have stock.
Yeah. Oh, this is Norton dealership.
It's the first one I've ever
I've never seen a dealership. It feels so weird riding a bike that rides itself. It's such a bizarre feeling. Like controlling it with the left, but the bike just pulls itself along. It feels so futuristic, basically.
I guess I'm used to driving with just right hand, or riding with just the right hand to control the bike. With the left, it would be weird.
House!
Burgers!
I did not hear that.
Burgers!
I was about to do it.
6 minutes, 3.3 miles.
Yeah.
Almost there.
This feels like a roller coaster. Leaving the cruise control on and just controlling which way I go, and letting the bike just keep the speed.
That must be scary though, because I like slowing down a little bit in the corners.
Yeah, but it turns out you don't have to.
I mean, you don't have to, but...
Because you can just commit to the corner and the bike will do it. Like, you will do it without...
But I struggle committing knowing there's a bush in the way and I can't see. Left by the white sign.
We're going, yeah?
Yeah, that's what map says.
Oh, watch out. Bunch of gravel in the middle. We just need a tractor to come around from a corner.
We're almost there, half mile, turn left.
Oh, wow.
Oh, fucking hell.
This is it, right?
Yeah.
This is a festival. I mean...
Fuck it.
So we take the helmets off, sit in a field for a bit.
Huh? Just way more confident than the...
We're doing a bit of off-roading.
The cowshed, oak firs, cabin. Are we in some Airbnb?
That's private. That's private. That's not.
Guys, I think what we were looking at was that festival. I got you. Yeah, and you wanted to move your
I
own
can't
bike.
tell if you did that on purpose or not.
Yeah.
It looked like a dance move.
Yes, I did that on purpose.
It did, yeah.
I won't do it again though. It was a one-off.
Nice and stable.
Clutch in and roll.
Do you want to have a look how far the Caffeine Machine is?
It's not far. We just go back onto the main road, turn left, and it's at the end of the road.
6 minutes.
Yeah, so maybe let's do that, eh? That way, right? Please tell me it's that way.
It is
Like
straight
where we
ahead
came.
and then turn left afterwards.
Yeah.
Okay.
So back towards that road we were already after you. Oh fuck, the bed bumps were here, so there's one. Oh, found it. Oh, found the other one, fuck! That was bad. It is up there, I see the bus. I see the bus! Oh, I have no brakes on grass. That is something to Watch out for. Excuse me. I'm looking for a place called the Dell.
You're in it. The Dell.
Is this it?
Are you here to watch country music?
I didn't know there's a festival here at all.
there we go.
I found out about when I found the sign. Do you know where the normal car park is?
No idea. Yep.
No worries.
It's found there.
Hello, sir. But I'm looking for that double-decker bus that's called the Dell.
Yeah. Well, we're closed now because we've got a festival, so we're open from 4. So,
No worries.
next time, anytime.
Yeah.
Just today and yesterday.
Yeah, no problem.
Sorry.
Thank you very much.
Thanks so much.
Oh my god, I just skidded. Fucking hell. This is sick. This is great. I love this. That was sick. I need to look more into off-roading. Gonna hit that bump again. Oh! I hit my eye. Look at that. Stings. That hurts. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh! We're not stupid. That is the right place. They're closed at the moment because they have Dellfest, so they're open from 4 o'clock. I found the green double-decker behind the tents.
Oh, is there?
But this is the place. I mean, Caffeine Machine's not that far. Oh yeah, I went up on the grass. If you ever ride on grass, there is no brake. Your rear brake does fuck all. My bike just went... It's so fun though.
It looked a lot of fun. I wish I could do it. I was thinking of doing an enduro course. Found one. It's a little bit far away though. I couldn't find anything around Rykers for some reason, but I put it in Google just to see what's around, and it didn't show me anything around Rykers, so it was quite shocking.
We're good.
Okay, we're good.
I didn't mean to get that.
Sorry.
You're rolling.
No, I
looked ahead
didn't
and
say.
I was next to you. I was like, oh shit.
Yep.
Sorry. Da-da-dun-dun.
Oh, this is still average, but 60 now. I see Caffeine Machine.
Really?
Yeah.
Where's the entrance? Where's the entrance? I don't remember. He's in and out. Oh, nice MT. Oh, he's got suspension on it.
That's nice. I like that.
What, the MT?
The one next to... Yeah.
Oh, shit, this is nice too. That colour, fucking hell.
Yeah, the color is really nice.
And this would be fun on that green, on the
And
grass.
look at the 26,
Oh, no way.
26. Is that Kevin?
Is that it? Yeah, is that Kevin?
Oh, we don't know what year that is. It's been emotional.